Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology, and in a video I will call It's Microsoft's Fault. This is and has to do with the minimum requirements of Windows 11 and why people are kind of staying in Windows 10, and there doesn't seem to be anybody that wants to move from Windows 10 to Windows 11, or not many. Some of the stats that have shown Windows 11 growing seem to show that it's growing much more from new PCs that are purchased than from Windows 10 users moving to Windows 11. And this, of course, has to do with that famous minimum requirement. Microsoft decided to arbitrarily put a minimum requirement that is not really that easy to explain. I get, all the time comments of people saying, well, for security reasons, and they're really, they have to have TPM, and well, that's never been very clear, and the amount of either software or hardware that actually needs or uses TPM is very low. It's not that clear that it's a absolute minimum requirement, and actually Microsoft itself left the loophole open in the images that you can download for Windows 11 that can remove some of the minimum requirements. And of course, they let you play with the image, like with tools like with Rufus, to remove that minimum requirement. But a lot of it is that, first of all, it's the minimum requirement. A lot more people, I think, from Windows 10 would have moved to Windows 11 without that minimum requirement. And we'd probably be in a reverse situation. At this time, 3 years in, we'd probably have more Windows 11 machines than Windows 10 if that minimum requirement didn't exist. So it is Microsoft's fault for what's happening right now, definitely. And you add to the fact that Microsoft's lack of good communication, the ranting against Windows 11, a lot of people put it in a, oh, that's a bad Windows. And, we are used to having those windows that people skip over that always, people always hear that that's a bad one. And we've seen it. Windows XP was a good one. Windows Vista was a bad one. Windows 7 was a good one. Windows 8 was a bad one. And Windows 10 became a good one. Windows 11, oh, that's the bad one. So we have to wait until Windows 12. So, that is something that you got to think about. Maybe if they've pushed Windows 12 rather than Windows 11 24H2, things would be different. Just because people, tend to think that maybe Windows 11 is bad, there's a lot of negativity over it, and a lot of it has to do with the fact that there's a lot of frustrated users that are mad that the minimum requirements are there. So, unfortunately, that is Microsoft's fault. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.